Hello, my dear friends. Today we will replace a broken zipper in denim jeans. And to take off the broken zipper, I will use sewing clippers to cut these thick denim threads that I used for sewing denim jeans. It will be much easier to do with the sewing clippers rather than using a seam ripper. So I will cut very careful all threads around the zipper area to separate the zipper from the pants and also to separate the inner placket. And on the front part, I will leave these beautiful parallel top stitches, but I will separate the zipper from the zipper fly. And since over here we have these beautiful top stitches that are fixing zipper, and we do not want to rip them off to take out the zipper, we will need to cut the zipper tape very close to the seam line, as close as we can. You see, we just will cut just little corner of the zipper tape. Then we will clean out all these leftover threads. And now we are ready to install our zipper. So now we will need a new zipper. We will need a special presser foot for installing zippers. And also we will need regular threads with the color that blends with the color of denim jeans. So now I will replace my universal presser foot with a zipper presser foot, and I will attach it on the right side of the presser foot first. And now I will take the closed zipper and I will attach the top of the zipper just 1 centimeter down of the edge of the fabric. In this way, the top of the zipper will be exactly at the level of the belt seam, where the belt attaching to the pants. And then I will lay it flat and I will connect the zipper to the folding line in few places. And then on the wrong side, I will cover the zipper with the placket, making sure that the edges of the placket and zipper tape are absolutely even. And then we will pin them together, also in a few places. And then we can take off the pins from the front. We can double check if our zipper works properly. If any pin is on the way of the zipper, we can move pins a little bit aside. And when the zipper works properly, then we can attach this side of the zipper. So we will open the zipper again. We will insert this area under the presser foot as close as we can to the zipper, and we will stitch a straight line parallel to the zipper. And gradually we will take each pin off before we approach them, so we do not stitch over the pins. And then we will check it from the right side, from the inside. Everything looks good, straight. Then we will cut our threads. We will also cut the top stitching part of the zipper tape. We will insert the top edge inside of the belt, and we will stitch around the edges of the belt. So we will begin from the point where we can see the original stitching. We will lock it with the backward stitching. We will stitch down to the corner. We will turn the belt area and we will stitch on the bottom of the belt to the point when we meet the original stitching as well. We will overlap it with our stitching, and then we will turn our pants and we will stitch the second line on the top of the previous seam, just to create a double stitching line, to make it thicker. And in this way, as you can see, we saved as much as possible of the original seam. Then we will lay this part of the pants flat. We will close our zipper and we will put the top layer, the front panel, overlapping this area, you see, at the same distance, putting the center of the front detail at the same distance from the zipper, all the way to the top. And then we will pin it to the right side of the zipper tape to fix it in this position. And we will also pin it in a few places. And then we will open the zipper. We will also fix the pins in case they catch the zipper tape in the wrong place. So we will make sure that everything is absolutely flat, straight, and the zipper laying parallel to the edge of the center line. And then we will stitch a straight line just in the middle, in between of the top stitches and the edge. In this way we will attach the zipper tape to the denim. So we will switch our universal presser foot to the special zipper presser foot. We will attach it this time to the left side of the presser foot. So we will insert this part under the presser foot. We will make sure that the zipper itself is on the left side on the presser foot. And then we will stitch a straight line as close as we can to the zipper, parallel to the edge or parallel to the original top stitches. So as you can see, the zipper itself is right here. And we will stitch as close as we can to the zipper. And when we approach the lower part of the zipper area, we will stop. We will keep our needle down, we will lift up the presser foot, and we will try to fix the placket area, trying to insert the placket under the presser foot. Then we will lift up the needle. We will fix the jeans with the right hand, you see, just right under the presser foot, and with the left hand we will fix the placket, inserting the placket under the presser foot and also closing the zipper. Trying do not move this part of the zipper area under the presser foot. And while continuing stitching down, make sure that the placket is absolutely flat under the presser foot. So after we checked everything, we can close our zipper all the way to the top, and we can continue stitching, making a small backward stitching, just fixing our stitching line at this area, and then we will stitch all the way down to the original top stitches. Now we can see that everything looks good, that our stitching line is absolutely invisible, it blends with the color of the denim jeans. And now we need to attach the edge of the placket to the seam allowances of the zipper fly. As you can see, we have a little hole on this seam allowances from the previous stitching line, so we will need to stitch it a little bit higher from the previous line, from this hole. So we will pin these parts together and we will stitch with a very little seam, about 1/4 of an inch, with the backward stitching. So I will install the regular universal presser foot back, and I will stitch this little seam parallel to the belt. And I will stitch it exactly on the allowances of the zipper fly. And in this way, we will reinforce this area, and while putting on and taking off the jeans, we will prevent zipper from tearing apart. And then we will fix the top of the zipper area inside of the belt in the same way how we did it on the other side. So now we can close our zipper, we can close the button, we can double check that everything looks good and correct. Also, don't forget to iron your denim in this area after replacing a zipper. If you still have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. Now I hope you can make the life of your denim jeans longer. I wish you good luck and see you soon. Bye bye.